Hey guys, it's John with Area 419. I just want to show you quick how we deal with measuring critical surfaces on our Hellfire muzzle brakes and our adapters. So we got this Keyence IM-7030 Vision CMM a couple years ago when we realized we were going to need a quick and accurate way to check the male taper on our Hellfire adapters. The mating taper between these two parts, the brake body and the adapter, is extremely important. It both gives us the locking nature to prevent rotation once it's closed down. It also gives us the excellent concentricity that we get from a matching taper system like this. The Keyence, like I said, it's a vision inspection machine. It also has a touch probe, but the vision side of it is just lightning fast. It takes about 3 seconds to recognize a part, all the features, inspect them, whether you have 1 part or 20 parts on there. It's shop floor ready. We've got it parked on a Russo mobile cabinet here. We can roll it right in front of the machine we're using it on. It doesn't have to be on granite, doesn't have to be ultra level. It's made for dirty environments. Not that this is a dirty environment, but let me jump over here and show you how quick and easy it is to take a measurement on these two parts. So I'm going to show you how we measure a Hellfire brake. I'm only going to do one of them right now just for speed's sake, but we can put as many as we can fit into this field of view. It's about 6 or 7 brakes on here. Just set it anywhere on the screen, press measure. The vision system is going to recognize where the brake is located. If there's multiple on there, it's going to locate where all 6 of them are at. It's going to bring the touch probe out. It's going to touch off 3 points at 2 different heights. That's going to give us 2 radius measurements that we can do a little bit of trig with and determine the angle. So it's got 1 more touch to do. Does the math and tells us this angle is good, 5.002. So 0.02 of a degree off. Next, we're going to do an adapter. Switch the program real quick. We've got a little magnetic V-block here. Set it on there any way you want. Press go. And that quickly it's done. The vision inspection side of it is extremely fast, like 3 seconds, even if there's 20 parts on there. So accurately measuring tapers, especially female ones, can be pretty difficult, but this is how we do it.